Good morning. Today is Thursday, January 24th, 2019. We're taking a look at the S&P 500 to start the day in about an hour and 15 minutes. First, starting off looking at a chart of the ES and focusing on this down channel that things have been in since the high on Friday, and focusing close up here on what was going on last night. We're forming sort of a barrier here at 2641. That needs to hold if we're going to continue to the upside. And since we are in a down channel, we need to break out over about 26.44, 45 or so to get out of this little space that's shrinking down and getting smaller and smaller. So mostly I just wanted to point out this 26.41 level, maybe just giving it a little bit more room down to 26.40 flat. But I think that if we come in and trade up like we did yesterday, but then fade down under 26.41 on the S&P or ES or whatever you're trading today, that we're going to wind up going back and testing closer to the low. And now moving on to the S&P 500. This is the daily roadmap chart in super close-up form. We had a little bit higher close yesterday than we did on Wednesday, which gave us a clue that maybe we were going to have further upside, which we are seeing in pre-market right now. And that 26.41 level, 40 level is going to be just above yesterday's close. Yesterday's close at 26.3870 would be your absolute line in the sand. I wouldn't be so excited about buying dips below 26.38 because we're vulnerable to testing all the way back down here again. And if we break yesterday's low, then we're setting into a pattern here where we've made a lower low on Tuesday, another lower low on Wednesday, and then if we make another lower low today, I think we're just going to go ahead and liquidate down and probably get down here and test closer to the 2600 handle. If the 2600 handle breaks, we're going to test 2585, and if that breaks, we've got our 20-day simple moving average moving up quickly here, up to around 2560, low 2560s. Up above, we do have a big gap to fill. So if we come in and we make it over yesterday's high of 26.53, then we need to make it over the high of the previous day. So we need to not make lower lows, we need to make a higher high. Make a higher high than we did yesterday and a higher high than we did on Wednesday, and then we can go after this gap up to 26.70. So I think we're looking at either a move higher, as long as we hold above 26.40 or so, as you can see from the ES. As long as we hold above that, we've got a good chance of gravitating to 26.70. If we break back down under 26.40, I'm afraid that we're going to wind up just breaking yesterday's close and testing back down here again. We have a 10-day simple moving average moving up above the 50-day as we get into the open today. So those levels are going to flip-flop with each other. They went out at 26.19 and 26.16 respectively on the close yesterday, but now the 10-day is going to rise up over that 50-day. That should feed a buy signal to the algos, and now that we've had a couple of days of selling, maybe that buy signal will pick up and we have a better chance of making that move up towards 26.70 instead of moving back down and pushing towards a 2500 level instead. Okay, that's it. Have a great rest of your day, and as always, good luck and good trading.